If you need more research time with a librarian, you can make a research consultation appointment, and you would just do that online. Once you're on the library website, you'll go to Student Help, then go to Ask Us. Here you'll find the different ways you can contact a librarian, and you'd go to Make a Research Consultation Appointment. Once you're there, you can read through this, click Begin, and then answer the required questions. Once you do that, submit. Once the appropriate librarian receives the information, you'll get an email and we will make an appointment with you either via Zoom or in person.